Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to resolve this issue, bootable device not found, and please install an operating system on your hard drive. We have the operating system on the hard drive, but the hard drive is not recognized by the computer. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to switch off the computer by powering it off. Then I'm going to power it on again and click F10 so that we go to the click yes, so that we go to the BIOS setup. When you go to the BIOS setup, you have to go to advanced, then you go to ports. Then after this is the problem that comes in. I don't know why this was disabled. I'm going to enable these three options. In case you have other hard drives on the PC, these slots, you can enable them so that they can work. In my case, I have my hard drive that has the Windows files. So I'm going to save the changes and click yes and accept changes. Then the computer is going to reboot. And when the computer reboots, we expect our problem to be solved. So we're going to wait for it for a few seconds. The Windows files are loading. So had issues when it was loading. So you're going to go ahead and wait. For your case, the Windows files will just load normally. My system is going to repair. So I'm going to stop from here. Have a nice time. Don't forget to click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload useful videos like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.